Let us see example 2.31. Given question is simplify first sum 1 plus I the whole power 18. What is the given question Rakana? 1 plus I the whole power 18. The second sum minus root 3 plus 3I the whole power 31. The second question is minus root 3 plus 3I the whole power 31. Okay. Now see the first sum solution. What is the given question Ragana? 1 plus I the whole power 18. 1 plus I the whole power 18. First simplify within the bracket terms. Here within the bracket exists 1 plus I. 1 plus I, which is in the form of x plus iy. It is a form of complex number. A complex number, write it in polar form as, write it in polar form. Z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. That is the polar form. Okay. So write it a given question in the form of polar. In the form of polar. So polar form 1 plus I is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Next here into. Here also r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Now find the value of r and theta. Find the value of r and theta. We know that the formula for r is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Here x is nothing but a real part and y is imaginary part. Here real part is 1 and imaginary part is also 1. Why here imaginary part is 1? Yeah, imaginary unit having a coefficient is called imaginary part. Here imaginary unit is I, coefficient is 1, so imaginary part is 1. Now r is equal to square root of x square, that is 1 square, plus y square, that is also 1 square. So r is equal to square root of 1 square is 1 plus 1 squared is 1. So r equal to square root 2. R equal to root 2. Next, find the value of theta. We know that the formula theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. Here we need some alpha. After that we find the value of theta. So write it as alpha value. So alpha is also tan inverse of modulus y by x. What is the formula of alpha? Alpha equal to tan inverse of modulus y by x. Here x value is 1 and y value is also 1. Substituted here. Substituted here, it is equal to tan inverse of modulus y value is 1 by x value is also 1, which is equal to tan inverse of modulus 1 by 1 value is 1. Modulus 1 value is also 1. So tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1. We got it alpha equal to tan inverse of 1. Now see the trigonometric table. Now see the trigonometric table. See them. Here tan which degree value is 1? Tan which degree value is 1? Tan pi by 4 value is 1. Tan pi by 4 value is 1. So alpha equal to tan 1 value is pi by 4. So alpha equal to tan inverse 1 value is pi by 4. So we found the value of alpha equal to pi by 4. Now read it up question again. What is the given question, Rama? 1 plus I. Given question is 1 plus I. Here x is positive. That is the real part is also positive and imaginary part is also positive. Both are positive means which is lies in the first quadrant. Now write it here. 1 plus I lies in the first quadrant. Therefore, why here 1 plus I lies in the first quadrant? See the again diagram. Here cos positive, sin positive. Cos negative, sin positive. Second quadrant, first quadrant. Third quadrant, cos negative, sin is also negative. Fourth quadrant, cos positive, sin negative. Given question, x value, that is real part, cos value is positive. And y value, that is imaginary part, sin is positive. So both are positive. So given question, alpha value lies in which quadrant, Rama? First quadrant. Here theta value which is equal to alpha. In the second quadrant, theta equal to pi minus alpha. Third quadrant, theta equal to minus pi plus alpha. And the fourth quadrant, theta equal to minus alpha. Theta equal to minus alpha. Now, the first quadrant, theta value is alpha. So, theta equal to, what is alpha here? Pi by 4. Alpha equal to pi by 4. So here theta is also pi by 4. Since it is lies in the first quadrant. Now write it a left hand side. 1 plus I which is equal to polar form is r into cos theta plus I sin theta which is equal to r is root 2 into cos theta values pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Okay, which is equal to root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Left hand side 1 plus I. Given question the whole power 18. So right hand side is also write it the whole power 18. Left hand side write it whole power 18. Since the given question is 1 plus I the whole power 18. So right hand side is also take it the whole power 18 value. Okay. Now the power write in separate terms. Here root 2 exists. So root 2 power 18 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 the whole power 18. The whole power 18. Square root of 2 it can be written as 2 power 1 by 2 into 18 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 the whole power 18 which is equal to, here cancel this, 1 2 is 2, 9 2s are 18. So 2 power 9 into cos, we know that De Moivre rule. What is the De Moivre rule, Rakana? Cos theta plus I sin theta the whole power n which is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay. 2 power 9 into cos n theta. N is here 18 into theta is pi by 4. Plus I sin n is 18 into pi by 4. Which is equal to 2 power 9 into. Cancel this. 2 2s are 4. 9 2s are 18. Here 2 2s are 4. 9 2s are 18. So 2 power 9 into cos 9 pi by 2 plus I sin 9 pi by 2. Which is equal to 2 power 9 into 9 pi by 2 can be splitted into cos of 4 pi plus pi by 2. Take it LCM, we got 9 pi by 2. 2 into 4 pi is 8 pi plus pi is 9 pi. So 9 pi by 2 plus I sin of 4 pi plus pi by 2. You see, cos of 4 pi plus pi by 2 value is cos 4 pi plus pi by 2. First see 4 pi values. 4 pi values 720 plus theta. 720 plus theta means this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, this is 270, this is 360. 360 plus 360 is 720. So 720 plus theta. 720 plus theta. One circle is 360. Again another one around 720. 720 occur here starting origin. Okay. Plus pi by 2, that is theta. So which is lies in the first quadrant. Which is lies in the first quadrant. First quadrant means both are positive. Cos and sin both are positive. So cos 4 pi plus theta is plus cos theta. Sin 4 pi plus theta is plus sin theta. Here theta is pi by 2. So we can write it as 2 power 9 into cos 4 pi plus theta is cos theta. Here the theta is pi by 2 plus I into sin 4 pi plus theta is sin theta. Here theta is pi by 2. Pi by 2. So it is equal to 2 power 9 into cos pi by 2 values. See the trigonometric table. Cos pi by 2 values is 0. So cos into pi by 2. This value is 0 plus I sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 value is 1. This value is 1. So now write it here. 2 power 9 into cos pi by 2 is 0 plus I into sin pi by 2 value is 1. This is equal to 2 power 9 into 0 plus 1 into I is I. So I. What is left hand side Ragana? 1 plus I the whole power 18, which is equal to 2 power 9 into I. 2 power 9 into I. 2 power 9 values. Yeah, 512 I. Finally we got it. 1 plus I the whole power 18 is equal to 512 I. First found the value of alpha and theta. Found the value of alpha and theta. And then next write it in polar form. We got root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Given question take it the whole power 18. So right hand side is also take it whole power 18. Next apply the De Moivre rule. Simplify this. We got sum cos of 4 pi plus pi by 2 plus I sin 4 pi plus pi by 2. See the Again diagram, 4 pi plus pi by 2 values cos pi by 2. Sin 4 pi plus pi by 2 values sin pi by 2. Replace this and then see the trigonometric table, cos pi by 2 value 0, sin pi by 2 value 1. Replace it. Finally we got 2 power 9 into I. 2 power 9 values 512. So 512 into I.